little jig that I made for the Kreg Pocket Hole Jig and my MFT table. Every time I tried to use this Kreg Pocket Hole Jig on the MFT, the supplied clamp that came with it just wouldn't work with the extruded profile. So I just took a scrap piece of 3/4, put two 20mm dog holes. These are these little cheap ones. They come very cheap, and they have a little non-stick, little raised non-skid neoprene on the top. And I just drilled it, and now when I need to use my Kreg jig, now it's completely in. Don't have to worry about any movement. Also, what I found, this plus these equals 3 pieces of 3/4 plywood. So when I had to support it on this end over here, I just took 3 pieces, and it totally supported my piece. When I had to support it here, I just flipped it over here, and it kept everything stable, and was able to do the pocket holes on a very large cabinet with no problems. So to take it off, just take it off, put it out of the way, and I can keep on working.